Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning back into my channel, The Always Improving Garage. In this video, we're going to talk about creating an emergency roadside repair kit. First things first is safety. Make sure you have a good pair of gloves that you like, and some safety glasses. Last thing you want to do is get hurt trying to fix your vehicle on the side of the road. So the most common things that usually happen are you get a flat tire or a dead battery, right? So I recommend carrying a tire plug kit. This one's from Slime. It's a really nice kit. And then a jump pack. This one's the JNC 770. I used to have the 660 before this, which was also really nice. I just had it for so long that it was time to upgrade. Tire inflator. I like this one because it's pretty quiet. Airs up the tire pretty quick. I've used cheaper ones before, but they just tend to be really loud and also take forever to air up the tire. If I had to pick just one fluid to carry around with me, I'd say it's oil. Can't go wrong with that. And then portable toolkit. This one's from Crescent. I like this one because it has a good selection of sockets. You get 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive ratchets, some extensions, hex keys, even though they're pretty short, wrenches. Not a great selection, but it's hard to find. Really good selection on these kind of portable kits. Screwdrivers, adjustable wrench, and a bunch of bits here. I'll leave links to all these items in the description. This is all the stuff that I use. All right, that's going to do it for this one, guys. As always, thanks for watching.